Guys, this is part 2 of my jerk chicken, and I made some festivals to go with it. Look at this, guys. Okay. So guys, if you want to see me make the jerk chicken, go to part 1. This is actually part 2. And if you could like my video, subscribe, and comment to let me know what you think about my videos, okay? So yeah, this is jerk chicken, and I made some festivals with it. If you want to see me make these festivals, please comment below. Let me know. I could make them for you guys. Okay? I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening. And I'm out. Have a good evening, guys. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.